Chicken Pops!
Mainit pero tuloy ang kain. Sarap. Go!
Hi vlog! Today, we're gonna make chicken pops. See? Chicken pops. So,
First
we need
what's that?
flour.
Flour.
Oy, ba't ka ba sa...
Oh, 5 only kasi we akyat this one. It's fine. Go. 5 only ha.
3,
Hindi magsain.
4, 5. Ito pati.
Ta-da!
Tada!
And then, next one, we will put the crispy fry. Some more. 5 pa ulit.
Okay, I'll do it.
We got chicken. Maybe
Ay, demon?
halo mo. Dahan. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, not that what we're gonna do is this. With the breadcrumbs,
Oh, we're gonna mix the breadcrumbs.
yes, you're just gonna make circles to this one. For example, you just have to get one. Okay, and then make a circle. Put breadcrumbs on it. Like that na?
No. Because it's making noise.
Okay, so hindi ka...
I did on my own.
Oh, pwede dirty na yun. My goodness.
We need chop, 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 chop.
Pagpunas lang po na sa shorts.
Huwag pupunin sa short. May chef bang mahawak lagi sa short? Di ba wala naman?
Chick, 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 chick.
Okay. And then we will prito na with a little bit. Hindi dito na. Oh, kunin ko naman sa short. Oh.
More of God.
Basta yung medyo ganito yung ano, 1 kilo po po. Medyo ganyan na. Pagka nakatulog.
Chicken Pops.
Only taste.
Masarap pa yan. Oh, mainit. Oh, isa hot. Ang totoo ko. Luwain.
Excuse me po. Bakit? Enggak. How was it? Hindi na ako salita.
Malabot.
So yummy. Ang galing mo.
Hindi po siya makaintay. Hindi pa nga kami tapos. Pero yan, nalito na siya.
may tatap.
Mhm.
Tatapos sa akin babae.
Mhm. Okay. Mainit pero tuloy ang kain. Mhm, sarap. Mhm.